Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by treating light as waves with wavelength and intensity. This matters because filters work by altering those properties. First, pick the filter mechanism. Absorptive dyes remove bands, dichroic coatings reflect specific wavelengths, polarizers block orientation. Once chosen, check substrate and transmission specs. You want 80% or lower transmission for strong effect or 90% plus for subtle change. Make sure to prepare a controlled light source and a spectrometer or camera, because measurement at the start prevents guessing later. You now construct and tune the filter. If using coatings, deposit alternating dielectric layers. Thickness controls center wavelength. For absorptive types, adjust dye concentration or soak time to reach target optical density. Once applied, measure the transmission curve with a spectrometer or capture RGB response with a calibrated camera to check color shift. Then iterate. Change layer thickness by nanometers, alter tilt angle to shift peaks, or rotate polarizers to control contrast. Each tweak directly changes how wavelengths pass or are blocked. You finish by sealing and validating the filter in real conditions. Add anti-reflective layers to reduce ghosting and test across angles because dichroic behavior changes with tilt. Once done, verify color fidelity on target cameras and displays and measure durability under heat and humidity. If something goes wrong, check the common causes. Misaligned layers cause color cast, incorrect thickness yields shifted peaks, and contamination lowers transmission. If that happens, remeasure, clean, and adjust the layer parameters. Then retest until performance matches the spec.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.